Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a couple of Christmas launches to share with you from Hunkydory. Now I don't believe these come out at the same time, so I'll put this video up once they're both launched and on the website. I'll also leave the website linked in the description box in this video. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get anything if you click on it, I just leave it there to be helpful because I absolutely believe you're going to love this. And I like to be helpful and it just saves you searching, so that will be in the description box. And don't forget, if you sign up to the Hunkydory members club, you're able to get a small discount across the site, so it's definitely well worth doing. So we're just going to jump straight into the video, and the first thing I actually wanted to show you was this beautiful cardstock. So when you're on the design team, you do get asked if you need anything when you go into a launch. So I just said, please could I have some Christmas adorable scorable, and this is what they've sent me, which was really, really kind. And look at these colours, it's just stunning, and it's a really good mix of contemporary and traditional, which just ticks my boxes. And looking at the collection that's launching, it's going to work so well with it. So really pleased to have this, looking forward to using it. I go through this adorable scorable so fast, it's such great cardstock, and yeah, I just thought I would share the colours with you. So the first launch I want to share with you is Miri card, but oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. I'm going to turn it over. There will be reflection. I apologise. I'll try not to get my ugly mug in the picture, but you know, can't guarantee. So, would you look at that? It's almost like glitter card, but in a Miri card. It's amazing. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, it's holographic. If I hold it close to the camera, there's not too much of a reflection, but it's stunning. I just could not stop stroking this when I got it out the envelope. It's gorgeous. So that's the first thing to launch, or the first item I had, and I've got a few sheets of that to use. Honestly, I think I will probably use most of this with this launch, but if I can save some for future projects, I will. It is just beautiful, honestly. Up close, it's just the most amazing texture. So that's the first thing I had to show you. So now we come to the collection that I have to show you. Now this is called Frosty and Friends, and just wait until you see this. So in no particular order, first we've got some patterned papers. Now these are double-sided, so we're going to have a look at the ones I've been sent. We have this one with the music notes, but look at those colours. Oh my goodness, I love this. I actually think this is my favourite one. Really pretty colour changes through that. And then on the back you have this great night sky with the snow in the background. Isn't it so pretty? So I have a few of those. Then we have this dark blue one. Again, it's the night sky with the snow. And then on the back we have, again, that really pretty light blue. We've got swirls on this. There's hints of pink, I think, running through. Well, it might just be my eyes after looking at that one, but it's so pretty. Then we have this really dark blue one. Now this one, if you look closely in the background, there's like a bokeh effect going on. Can you see all the different slightly darker dots? Really clever. And then the snowflakes and the stars stand out. And then on the back, look at that, it's like a snowstorm. Isn't that lovely? And you've got the movement with the swirls without there being obviously texture. And then we have lastly this one with the snowflakes. So again, you've got a few different contrasting colours here. And then on the back of that we have another night sky. Now say you bought these and you didn't use them all now, there is no reason you couldn't turn that into the background of a mail card, because it just looks like a night sky. You could use that all year round easily. At the moment, because I'm thinking Christmas, I say, oh, it's a snowy sky, but that could easily be stars. So you could use that one all year round very, very easily. Next, we have the printed cardstock. So we have this one here. Now, again, we have the patterned papered design over here on the cardstock, and then we have this beautiful image of the snowman. Next we have the night sky from the patterned paper. And this time we have a snowman over here. This time he has a little fawn with him, some really cute little bunnies and birds. And then we have the other night sky pattern kind of creeping in. So you can see how it all flows. It all works together really, really easily. It should be easy to like coordinate and match up what you want to do with your projects without too much brain work about thinking about what you need to use, if that makes sense. Then we have this one here. Look at that gorgeous image. That is really traditional Christmas to me. I love it. I am quite a traditional Christmas girl. I do like my Santas and my snowmen, so this is just ticking all my boxes. And then again, we have this multi-tonal one from the patterned papers on here. And then lastly, I think this is probably my favourite. That there is Christmas to me. Father Christmas, very, very, very traditional with his snowman. He's got a green sack. When I was growing up, Santa had a black sack, but I'm not going to quibble. I love it. I love this image. I think that's probably my favourite image out of all of them. And then again, we've got the patterned paper that we looked at earlier on the cardstock. Really, really pretty. And again, this one is kind of sneaking through at the edge. So that is the printed cardstock. Let me show you the foiled cardstock. I love the foiled cardstocks in Hunkydory kits. I think they're absolutely stunning. So the first one we have is the snowmen, and the musical notes in this one are foiled and they just catch the light beautifully. And again, we have this sweeping sky with the snow falling. It's just gorgeous. Then we have this one, and again, the snowflakes on this one are the foiled part. You got Santa going off to deliver the presents, waving to the snowman over here. I love it. Then we have this one here, and again, these snowflakes are foiled. Isn't that just beautiful? Very dark here, great place to put your toppers. These make fun fold cards. They're a really nice quality cardstock. I think they're 250 GSM. I might have that wrong, but you can make card folds out of these. And if you look on the Hunkydory YouTube channel or go back on my channel, there's videos showing different card folds you can do with them. Then we have this one here. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. So all of this bit here is foiled. I love it. Look at this snowman. He's like they're on a date and he's playing her a tune on his violin. So pretty. So that's the foiled cardstock. And now next we have the most amazing acetate to show you. So I'm going to keep this here and flip this over because you're going to need to see it on something. So this is all printed acetate, but it's absolutely stunning. So this is the first one. So as you can see, you've got the snowflakes at the top. It's quite plain at the bottom, or you could flip it and have the snowflakes at the bottom and it plain at the top. Really, really pretty. Next we have this one. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Isn't it gorgeous? I love the what are you going to call it? Garlandy effect. I'm going to call it a garland because we're looking at Christmas, and garlands kind of do that, don't they? I love that effect on that. I think it's really pretty. I kind of already know what I want to do with this one. Whether it works or not is another matter, but I will try. So we have that one. Next we have this one. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? It's just so beautiful. And this one, these feel like they're foiled because they kind of catch in the light. Just love these printed acetates. I'm totally sold on printed acetate. When I work with plain acetate now, I kind of just feel a little bit underwhelmed because I am absolutely loving printed acetate. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So it's foiled, it's printed, it's absolutely beautiful. I actually think this one might be my favourite. You've got to have a bit of bling at Christmas, and this just ticks that box. Isn't that stunning? So that comes as part of this collection as well. They're really, really spoiling us. Okay, next, let me show you the little books next. If you bought these as part of the collection, obviously they would come in a gummed book and you just have to rip out the sheet you wanted. I need to cut mine down because I've just got sample pages, but oh my goodness, they are so pretty. So, first of all, we have the snowmen. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. Then we have this one. This one here, this reminds me of childhood. It's just that image. It's just the style of the image. It takes me back to when I was like maybe 8. And then you knew it was Christmas. So this is really quite nostalgic for me, I think. I'm loving this. Then we have this one again. It's that image there. That to me was Christmas as a child. And then we have slightly more modern snowmen. But look at that cute little dog. Little snow dog. Oh, so cute. Then we have this one again. This one just takes me right back to Christmas as a kid in the 80s. I just love it. Look at the bunnies. Look at the squirrels. And you got the presents. It's such a lovely image. And then you've got that one that I was loving earlier. Santa with his snowman. Then we have snowman singing, and we also have the snow daddy with the snow baby, and he has a present. And then we have the snowman with a gift and a broom, and then we have Santa again with a snowman. And then lastly, I have a load of sentiments that I can either fussy cut or die cut if I've got a small round die, which I must have. Surely I must have a small one. And then we have that lovely image again. This time it's slightly zoomed in. So you've got Santa waving and the top of the snowman. These are going to come in really, really useful. I did buy some sentiments. And I've still got some from another collection I worked on. And obviously this will come with toppies, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And they have sentiments on as well. So lots and lots to play with. So now I will show you the toppies. I've left them to last because, I don't know, for me this is the best bit. I just love toppies. But hopefully you have enjoyed seeing everything else that I've showed you in this collection. It's all great. I absolutely love everything I've showed you. It's just toppers are my favourite. They kind of make it for me. So look at these. Oh my goodness. So that's the reason I think that Miri card is going to work so well, because it kind of is round all of the images. Look. It's that same kind of style. So that's why I think it's going to work so well with this collection. And that's why they sent it out to us like now. So this topper is called Nobody Quite Like You. These are the toppers you get. We've got For My Someone Special there. Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. These are the images. And then we've also got, there's Nobody Quite Like You and All My Love. So those are our first toppers. Next set is Christmas Magic. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Sending a little Christmas magic. Santa's on his way. Ho ho ho. Got the snowman and then Merry Christmas down there. The next one is From Our Family to Yours. Look at these. They're just gorgeous. I love these strips as well. Got some smaller toppers here. There's Snow Place Like Home at Christmas. Just look at the way the light is catching these. Aren't they gorgeous? And With All My Love. You could literally do all your Christmas cards with this kit. Well, depending how many people you send to, I suppose. Lastly, we have The Greatest of Friends. Look at these, they're just beautiful. We have Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow. Got the snowman. We have For a Special Friend at Christmas. Good Friends, Great Cheer, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. So that is the topper set for Frosty and Friends. So that was a quick look through the Frosty and Friends Christmas launch from Hunkydory. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave the samples I make with this collection at the end of this video so you can see what I've made. But if you want even more inspiration, make sure to head over to the Hunkydory website, go on the members hub and you'll be able to access all the galleries on there. And then there will be so much more inspiration. They're really good at putting inspiration for each collection in a gallery over there. So you'll be able to click on those and see what all the team have been up to. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this collection. Did you have a favourite item? And also please let me know what you think of that fabulous Miri card. Are you loving it as much as me? Because honestly I think it's absolutely stunning and I think it would definitely be a go-to in most people's stash this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who stops by and watches my videos. If you have enjoyed today's video, please remember to leave it a big thumbs up. I will be back with more videos very soon, so until next time, thank you once again for watching, take good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.